Yo guys, what's up? And welcome to the first trade recap of this month from yesterday, Monday, 2nd of June. We had high impact news yesterday. We had PMI coming out at 5 p.m. and also Fed Chair Powell was about to speak at 8 p.m. Usually this is a high impact news and it also impacts the entire market structure even after market open. So yeah, I was very cautious yesterday. Let's just see how the price action was yesterday. You can see already that, we had drastic moves to the upside and to the downside directly after market opened. I marked out pre-market all these 15-minute low resistance highs right here because I was like, okay, either market first manipulates to the downside and then sweeps out these highs, or directly after market opened, it will sweep out these highs. Because honestly, I just wanted to see market take out these highs. And based on that, I would take either a short or a long trade, depending on the first moves of the market. So yeah, you can see market opened. Damn, I can't talk today. You can see that market opened directly with a huge upside push into all these low resistance highs. So yeah, let's just erase them real quick. And from there, scale down to the 1 minute because you can see that it was definitely a wick left from that first 15-minute candle. So kind of sweepy. You can see here how well the market is reacting off of that 50-minute high. And as you can see, we got a break of structure here with that black candle. Also, we got an inverse fair value gap. It's not the one that I marked. It's the one between these two blue candles. It's very tiny, but it's still an IFVG, an inverse fair value gap. After that, we also created a bearish fair value gap that we tapped in right here, as you can see, and we got a bearish reaction out of it. Beautiful setup to enter with a short entry, either directly off of the inverse fair value gap or off of the bearish reaction out of the fair value gap, or after the break. So this would have been probably the safest entry, and then just target these 15-minute lows right here for take profits. And you can see market ripped even more to the downside. Unfortunately, I didn't take this trade. I was very, very close to just press sell. But yeah, we had high impact news coming out at 5 p.m. Remember, we had PMI, and I was just like, damn, there's no way I will enter before news comes out. But as you can see, the news candle at 5 p.m. actually would have played in our direction. So yeah, this is unfortunate, but it would have been a nice setup to short. If you would decide to maybe take a trade after news, you will see now you would also had a nice setup. So let's just erase all of these liquidities. So yeah, if you take a look at the 15-minute and you see that at exactly 5 p.m. this huge wick is caused by the news candle, and this news candle swept all these 15-minute lows, including the last one right here. And if you scale down again to the 1 minute and see how well market responds to this last 15-minute low, you can see that, probably also would have had a nice setup to long. So you can see how the market is reacting off of this sweep from the news candle. We break structure to the upside right here. And you can either enter directly off of that, or again, bullish fair value gap. We tap in, we don't invalidate this fair value gap, we get a bullish reaction out of it, enter. Either stops underneath the sweep or stops underneath the candle that formed the fair value gap for a more aggressive trade and for a better risk to reward ratio. And then you can just target high time frame highs and take a look how well this would have been. Yeah, we came up and swept even this high right here. So yeah, no matter what direction you would have traded yesterday, you would end up with a nice win. Unfortunately, I didn't take either of these trades because, yeah, I was just too scared. I had in my head that Powell speaks in the night, and from my experience, this is a highly volatile news. And yeah, after I saw this news push candle, also 5 p.m. from the PMI news, I was just like, damn, my trade would have been the short, not the long for today. Yeah, but as you can see, the strategy works even on a news day. So maybe next time I will, yeah, evaluate if I will even take a entry with a bit of less risk, maybe with 0.5% of my account balance. So yeah, maybe next time I will de-risk and will still enter if I see these nice setups. So yeah, this is it for today. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you see that the strategy works pretty well, even on high impact news days. So yeah, I will keep you updated. Maybe today I will take a trade, but we have again news. Honestly, this week is full of high impact news. We have today Jolt's opening at 5 p.m. This is definitely a huge candle that can wick in both directions very strongly. So I will definitely wait today until news comes out today. But yeah, let's see. Maybe I won't take a trade today either. Yeah, that's it for me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. Stay healthy and see you in the next trade recap. Appreciate you all. Bye, guys.